What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you the best Davinci Resolve render settings you should apply when exporting videos. First, while editing your video, head to File, Project Settings, or use the Shift and 9 shortcut. On this window, adjust the timeline resolution to the resolution of your footage. You also have the option to adjust the playback frame rate from here. This will be the frame rate you're exporting your video in. Click Save to apply your changes. After editing your footage, head to the Deliver tab. Use Custom Export, which will allow you to adjust your output resolution if you need to. As your format, I suggest using QuickTime over MP4, as it will allow you to export in various other video codecs. Compressing your video with H.264 helps keep a lot of the video quality, while being able to work with it in any other editing software or upload it to any online platform. Set the encoder to automatic. Below, adjust your resolution. It will be set to the resolution of your project settings. When using Custom, you have the option to choose a completely custom export resolution. You can also export in vertical resolution, but adjusting your project and editing in vertical first is suggested. Next, before taking a look at your advanced export settings, you have the option to export using a custom bitrate. I'm using 80,000 for 60 fps 1080p footage, which is mainly used for YouTube. If you're exporting in a lower resolution, then I suggest keeping this option set to automatic and then high in this drop-down menu. If you notice a decrease in video quality, then feel free to increase your custom bitrate to around 120,000 before rendering the project again. Keep the keyframes option set to automatic. In your advanced settings, leave the first settings unchanged and then enable these settings. Bypass re-encode when possible. Use optimized media. Use render cache images and force sizing to highest quality. You can then add the project to your render queue and compare the export quality to your previous exports. As you can see, this export method keeps an excellent video quality while also keeping the file size low. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.